Hey everybody, it's Rob Nazarian with Talk Android, and we're looking at Movie Twist. Now, have you ever been in a situation where you just can't figure out what movie to watch? You're arguing with your wife or husband, boyfriend, girlfriend, arguing with the family, just trying to figure out what to watch. Happens to me all the time. Movie Twist will get the job done, help you find a movie. And maybe you're just at home alone at night looking for something to do, want to watch a movie, you just don't know what it is. This is the perfect app. Now, upon opening it up, you'll see some movies listed at the bottom. I believe that's just random. You can select any of them and figure out movies that are like it. But let's just go in quickly and type a movie. Now, this is just the simple stuff right now. It gets a lot more complicated. You can get some pretty intense searches. So let's just say search for. You can see that populates movie titles here too, and right away I got to Underworld, and I know it's a 2003 version. And I'll go ahead and put it in, and right away I've get some movies that are like obviously some of the other Underworlds come up, and you tap over here on the arrows. I wish I had a swipe, but it doesn't. Hopefully that'll be coming in an update. But you can see like movies, and you get the movie poster. Now, let's say, for example, you want to go here. There's Batman Returns 1992. You get the full description here. You can also see the tags that are associated with it. You can favorite the movie, which also helps in future searches. Like, say, for example, you do the auto recommend. It'll be based on your favorites and past searches. You can hide the movie so it never shows up again. And you can also tap here to look for similar movies based on this one. And you can also add it to what's called your watch list. So that way you can quickly find it. It's pretty much the same as favorites in a sense, just a separate list. But you can also go here and take a look at the YouTube trailer for the movie. Let's just go ahead and do that. So there you go. There's the trailer for the movie. And so you can really get an idea, do you really want to watch this movie or not? Now, this is just the simple stuff. Like I said, you can get into some serious searching here. Let's go into Explore. This is where you can fine-tune some things here. They have loving, humor, violence, thrilling, and cleverness. Now, I was doing a search here. Like, you can change them here and add more to things. Like, let's say you want humor and violence, and we'll turn down cleverness and thrilling, and you go ahead and hit Explore. You'll get movie titles based on that, and here you go. So Shaun of the Dead, yep. Now, so it's interesting. It's a very complex search engine. But now let's just go back to here now, and we can also go into further things. Now you can also go into different, I think there's 22 or 21 genres here. So you can go into, you can add in horror. Tap on horror. You can tap on more things. So it's not just one thing. You can tap on a few things. And you can go as far as typing in an actor's name or some keyword, and then even get into fine-tuning these items here: drug, sex, and the pace, and even the years. You want something not as old, you can up the beginning year range, and also running time if you don't like movies that are longer than 2 hours and a half. There's just so much that you can do here, let's just go and see what. We already did that search. I don't know what I could add. Like trying to think of somebody to add for an actor. Or let's say an actress. Let's add Anne Hathaway, which I don't know if anything will come up with that. The actress names don't seem to come up. Well, some movies did come up, but of course you're only basically searching for her, so it's going to have to come up with movies that she's in. So that's a tough search. Now let's go back to searching auto recommend would be on your favorites, and then there's movie concepts. How do you feel? This is your mood. So this is if you don't want to get into all that fine tuning, you want to find something quick. So you want something silly. Go right in here. Now this will, from what I find here, if you go in, each time it gives you some different results, I believe. Like there's South Park Year 1. If I go back in and hit silly again, yeah, it's giving me different results. So it's kind of like random based on that. And again, you can go further and tap on the movies and add them to your favorite, just like, you know, the favorites, whatever you want. Look at the trailer, and it really is complex. It's a free app, and pretty much, you know, it's as sophisticated as it gets. And then, of course, there's your favorites list and watch list, and to close the app. So I definitely recommend it. The best part of it is, after all this, is it's absolutely free. So there's no ads in here, and there's no other cost. Now, there is a negative in that right now it doesn't work on the larger screen tablets like the Nexus 7 and the larger tablets. That will hopefully be coming soon. I'd love to see this on the Nexus 7, but right now it's only going to be good for phones. It does work, it's just that the images for the movies look a little funky, and it doesn't utilize the whole display. You'll only get 6 movie posters on the display, but there's just a lot of empty space. But in any event, give it a try. It's in the Google Play Store now. It's called Movie Twist, and you know, for your next date night, give it a shot. Hopefully you can find something you both agree on, with a little humor and a little thriller and a little love and whatever else you want to throw in. So thanks again for watching. This is Rob Nazarian with Talk Android.